So this engagement, therefore, is not a political engagement. And it's not a blame platform. Yes, people can express their views. We are not going to suppress them. But this platform, we want to use it to find a solution. It is no longer a problem of uThukela district, but it is a problem for the district, for the province and national, to ensure that the services for the community of uThukela are not disrupted. Then we want to listen to you very carefully and then emerge with a roadmap. When we conclude our meeting after the engagement, we will give a time frame. When are we going to come back? In order to give a feedback that the deliberations of today's meeting, this is how the government in all the three spheres is going to intervene to ensure that we have a lasting solution. We are considering a range of issues, taking into account the memorandum and the views from the business sector, but it is not enough to talk over telephone lines. The face-to-face engagement is what is important, so that at the end of the day, you own one solution. On behalf of the government, we are determined to resolve the challenges the communities and the municipality are experiencing. The challenges Amakosi and the communities under their jurisdiction are experiencing. And we are confident that together, with your guidance, with your support in all the avenues that we will need to follow, taking law into account and all legal steps, within a very short space of time, we will be coming back, but I will indicate the number of days exactly as to, after this meeting, when are we going to come back? And it will be on that meeting that we can engage broader community of uThukela so that we take them along on the roadmap that we will have adopted as a way to resolve this challenge.